high tunnels.
Yeah.
Because I know a lot of producers here in Shelby County are using high tunnels now.
Yeah,
for tomatoes and tomatoes and some other of their fruits. So.
And that's a term to me that is just another name for something we already had, because a high tunnel is just a cold frame greenhouse. That's all it is. It is an unheated house, usually Quonset, or a bow shape, round like this, semicircle, and it's covered with one sheet of plastic.
Right.
And a lot of, say, vegetable farmers or cut flower producers, they use those as, again, season extenders, and they're actually growing crops early, like people will grow to get a start on the season of their tomatoes. They'll grow them in the high tunnel, and they're able to pull up the sides or ventilate it because they're unheated, but yet as the season goes on, see, in the spring, it can get pretty hot in there.
Yeah.
So it needs to be able to either open the ends or roll the sides up or something, and even some people kind of put it where they can slide the whole house to another location. And usually in the high tunnel, crops and plants are grown in the ground.
Right.
They're not up on benches or something.
Right.
So it's just a unheated season extender. And sometimes they'll have supplemental heat just in case that the weather gets really, really cold one night and you don't want your tomato plants or your cut flowers or whatever, cucumbers, whatever you're growing, Some people grow strawberries even in them.
Okay.
To get a little earlier season on that.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.